Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Hannah and I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. If you haven't got a demonstrator that you work with already and you'd like to know more about Stampin' Up, or if you'd like to purchase any of these items in my videos, do just let me know, drop me a message. Instagram is usually the best place to get hold of me, which is my social media tag. Basically everywhere you can find me, I'm Stampin' by Hannah. So if you search me here on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere, Stampin' by Hannah, all one word, no G, will find me. These are the current catalogues. We are in celebration as I film this, so if you want any more information or a catalogue, do let me know. So I have a card for you today that uses, realise this I like using clean grid paper for my videos, and I've just realised that one's dirty, so I'm going to take that sheet off. So I have a card for you today. I haven't made yet. As usual, I do sort of process videos if you've not seen one of my videos before. So I have everything kind of cut and a bit of an idea, but I have nothing major. So I have a load of pool party, kind of a pool party monotone card for you today, using the Flowering Rain Boots stamp set. I saw this idea on Instagram. Like I said, I live on Instagram basically at the moment. That's where you can find me all the time. And I saw this idea over there, and I just thought it was so cool that I decided I would give it a go as well. So I've got Flowering Rain Boots, and then I have got this designer series paper. Now I'm sure you're looking at this going, Flowering Rain Boots, really brightly coloured rainbow paper, very odd combination. Yeah, probably. But what's lovely about this paper is, yeah, you've got some really stunning, really bright sheets, but you've also got some really subtle sheets as well that are just stunning. So I have, both sides of this are pretty subtle. I'm going to use this side today, which is Pool Party. This is the Sunshine and Happiness designer series paper in celebration. So on page 8, here we go. Look at that. Oh, you can see all of the fabulous papers. So you can earn this paper for free by spending £45 this month, January and February 2022. Yeah, £45 order. Choose this as your free gift. Simple as that. There are so many colours in this paper, I can guarantee you have something that will coordinate. So you've got, let me get my breath, Bermuda Bay, Flirty Flamingo, Garden Green, Magenta Madness, Mango Melody, Misty Moonlight, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Sea Foam, and So Saffron. Which is a lot of colours, isn't it? But honestly, so stunning. There is a coordinating stamp set, which is rainbows of happiness, and I love that. Oh, I can't get enough of that stamp set. So, not using that stamp set today. Got my Flowering Rain Boots. So, I have pre-cut my designer series paper already. I have a piece of Pool Party cardstock, half a sheet of A4 scored in half. I have a piece of Whisper White, which is cut half a centimetre shorter and narrower, and a piece of the designer series paper, half a centimetre shorter and narrower again. If you ever want to find the measurements for any of my cards, my standard card measurements are over on my blog. If you go over to my blog, or on the top bar or under menu, there is a option that says standard card measurements, and you will find it there. I have a Pool Party ink pad. I have gone ahead and used my layering circles dies, absolute staple, can't live without them. I have die cut 2 circles, one in Pool Party and one in basic white. I called it Whisper White again, haven't I? Oh dear. Using those. And I've also gone ahead and stamped and heat embossed that sentiment on, so the white embossing powder on Pool Party cardstock. And breathe. So all I'm going to do is a little bit of stamping on this, and that's kind of it. A bit of stamping, bits of fussy cutting, and so I've kind of quite a simple card, but but I think one that's going to be really pretty. So that piece of grid paper that was dirty, I'm going to bring it back and fold it in half. I've got a few videos to film today. I kicked my family out of the house because trying to film with a 2-year-old in the house does not work. So they've kicked them out of the house, and I've got this video to film, I've got next week's video to film, and I've got, I'm so excited, my card club videos to film as well. So if you have not seen about my card club yet, it is so much fun. I'm so excited. I have started a card club in January, and every month you get a kit to make 3 cards with. There's 3 cards and envelopes and some goodies from me as well, and a video tutorial of how to make them. So you're going to end up with a stash of cards, you know, perfect for all occasions, birthdays, what have you. And yeah, kit club lasts about 6 months, but you can roll it on, that's not a problem. And all you need to do every month is add a greetings set. So you don't need to buy a new stamp set every month. You can buy the stamp set I'm using, that's not a problem. Or you can use a stamp set in your collection to get your greetings. I cannot wait, I'm so excited. I've got that to film. I am, So if you want to sign up for that, the last day is the 28th of the month to sign up. So do grab your place. Right, Pool Party ink. I have got 2 stamps on my block. I have got the kind of foliage and the tulips. Are they tulips? I think they are. I've said before, I'm not a flowery person. I'm going to snap that off because, yeah, I think there's still some green on these. Right, so the reason I've got some scrap paper is because I'm going to stamp off the bottom here. So, ready, down. So, there are no, oh. No, it's okay. It's fine. I've made a boo-boo, but it's okay. So, I wanted that further down, really. So, it was going to be all right off the bottom, but it's okay. I'm going to stamp in the same colour. So, it's kind of really, really monotone. Those tulips. Oh, isn't that so pretty? Just ignore the bottom. So pretty. This is what I'd seen on Instagram. A really pretty card. They circle a square, but there were no welly boots. There were no wellies, there were no rain cans, there were no nothing else. There was just these 2 stamps, and I was like, oh, I love that. The reason this stamp set had to come home with me, and I'm sure I've mentioned it before, is that my daughter is obsessed with Wellington boots. So, and she's 2.5. So, if there's something with welly boots on, it kind of has to come into the house. You don't get away with not having something with welly boots on. So, I am going to do that using my Stampin' Seal onto another circle. Like that. And then I have got my sentiment. Now, you're looking at that going, well, that's a mess. It is, because I'm going to cut it out. I am going to fussy cut this and hopefully do it some justice on video. I did fussy cut last weekend on video, and it went okay. I am not the best at fussy cutting. I do not profess to be the best at fussy cutting. I do what works for me. Simple as that. And I'm actually going to cut straight along the bottom to there, and then go around the F, like that, straight again, around the Y. Can you see that? Fussy cutting, not paying attention to what I'm filming. And then just need to get up to the top. There we go. And then straight along, just to neaten it off. There we go. Super quick fussy cutting of a sentiment. Not professing to be the best ever. Yeah. Show you the fussy cutting and not me watch. Yeah, that'd be good, wouldn't it? Right. Let's get this card put together. So, my card base, which I have pre-scored. I use the Stampin Up trimmer to do all my cutting and scoring, and it works so well. I don't think I've used many blades in it. I don't think I have. I am coming to the point where I do need to change my blades. But I've had it since it came out, so I've had it a good while. And I do think the blades last longer in this one than they did in the previous version. So, there's my piece of Whisper White. I'm going to pop some adhesive on the back of my designer series paper, she says. Now, I don't know if you saw my video last weekend, which was normally I post on a Friday. Last weekend I posted on a Saturday, because I was part of a team video hop. And there was 21 videos, so if you've made it around all of them, you are incredible. But layers, I think I was the only person that did layers with tape and not with liquid glue. Liquid glue is not my friend. If you could use liquid glue and get a good result, fantastic. I just end up wearing it. I just can't do it. Oh, whatever works for you. You do you and I'll do me. Right. And I'll pop that straight in the middle of there. And then I'm going to cover up this little bit of a boo-boo. So I've got my sentiment. And I'm going to take the edge of my dimensionals. Because the whole thing is adhesive. It goes adhesive right up to the edge. I'll pop some adhesive on the back of there. And then, get it the right way up. I'll pop that just there. And that is my super simple card for today. But I love that. Does it need some bling? It could probably do with some bling, but I'm not going to bling it. I'm going to leave it. Actually, what I am going to do. This is unplanned. It shows you how unscripted unplanned my videos are, doesn't it? So I have got a Wink of Stella pen. I'm just going to add some Wink of Stella to each flower. I absolutely love Wink of Stella. It just adds that little bit of shimmer and sparkle. It does, it will drag your ink a little bit as well. So either make sure your ink is really nicely dry before you do this, or use it like watercolour. Also works really well. So there we go. Look at that. Oh, can you see the shimmer? I don't think you can. That's disappointing. Oh, a little bit. Right, thank you ever so much for joining me today here at Stampin' Up with Hannah. I cannot wait to see you again next time. Anything at all you want to know about Stampin' Up, do just drop me a message. And I hope to see you again next time. Do subscribe before you leave. Yeah, great. Thank you. Bye for now.